Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to export a GIF using Premiere Pro. GIFs are a versatile format, perfect for sharing with others. First, select your video clip. Position the playhead at the beginning and press I to set the start point. Move to the end of the clip and press O to set the finish. This defines exactly which section will be rendered. Next, navigate to the Export tab at the top. Under the Preset menu, choose Custom and then select More Presets. Type GIF into the search bar. You will see options like Animated GIF Match Source. Pick this one, or choose the transparency version if your video requires it. Since mine isn't transparent, I will select the standard option and hit OK. Now, choose your file destination and click the Export button. Once the process finishes, I will open the folder to show you the final result. As you can see, the GIF is rendered and looks great.